Hey guys, today we are going to be putting a pull rope, a recoil rope, into a stihl BR700 backpack lure. I'll put the rope in the description below. I'm using number 4. You can go number 5. I'll put a brand new recoil if I can find it. They're not too expensive. And then the rope with the handle. All I have is a regular old 2-cycle handle. It's whatever. I'll put the stihl handle in the description, whatever. But this is what the guy gave me with this one. So we're going to take these 3 bolts out. I'm using a stihl tool. It's got the torque 27 on it. It also has a spark plug socket on it. These are you can get on Amazon as well for cheap. I'll put one of these in the description below as well. Let's take them out. And it's just torque 27s. This is a good time to check your crank bearings. You're just going to try to wiggle it side to side, up and down. If you get any play at all, the crank bearings are shot in this and it's not worth repair. This one's perfect. And it's always nice to have a spare blower recoil on hand. If you've got one of these, you're obviously doing commercial work. Brand new one of these, set it up on your shelf in your truck. You know, that way this happens. You got the tool, you got the recoil, and you can just pop a new one on and keep going with your day's work. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this rope right here, get this knot out of it, and get the rest of the rope out. Just unwind it all. That was it. That was all the rope. The guy had a short rope going on trying to finish his job. Then we're just gonna grab this knot and pull it out the rope. Alright, so we're going to shove this through this hole and through this hole and pull it out. The little trick is to actually heat up the end of this with a lighter and then pull it, you know, till it kind of makes a point. Makes it easier to get in. The rope into a simple knot. Then pull the rope till it all goes all the way down into that hole there. Now we're going to grab this rope here and pull out a loop of it. Easier with 2 hands. Like this. This side's going to stay off to the side here. We're going to put this into the notch. And we're going to go counterclockwise. Like 3 loops. Hold on. Alright, so we got it like this. Going to go 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to get this out of that notch. Oh, and let it pull back in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Jeez, I keep pulling it out of my lap. So we got a decent little pull on there. We're going to wrap it 2 more times just to get the proper amount of rope in here. So we're going to pull it back out again. Let's go ahead. 1, 2 more wraps. And then let it catch up. Oh, jeez, my hand's all tangled up in this mess. Plenty of rope in there now. Now we're going to cut the line, but hold it to make sure it doesn't go in. This line through the handle. Again, if you heat that line up with a lighter, it'll make it easier. Simple knot. Lots of rope. Perfect. Alright, then we're going to set it back onto the machine. Put the 3 bolts back in it. And we're good. we're good to go. It pulls over and everything, just, you know. Alright guys, if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the rope again and a new recoil and the stihl tool. I'll put all that in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. More than happy to have you. Peace.